Good day everyone, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Nag-iisip ka ba ng dish which you can cook in no time? Good news kasi may i-share ako sa inyong dish which you can cook in under 5 minutes. Prep time, roughly 5 minutes, so you'll be done in 10 minutes or less. Swakto sa mga mommies na also working from home. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, let's make some buttered garlic shrimp. Ready ka na? Tara, luto tayo. Shrimp or hipon is actually one of the most consumed shellfish. But because of its high cholesterol content, maraming nagsasabing iwasan mo ito. Kaya nga lumabas yung commercial na bawal ang shrimp. Pero alam nyo ba, according to healthline.com, study found that adults who ate 300 grams of shrimp daily increased their good cholesterol levels by 12% and decreased their triglycerides by 13%. Ito ay dalawang importanteng bagay na kailangan mo to reduce the risk of heart disease. It's also a good source of omega-6 and 3 fatty acids which are good for the heart. So huwag kang matakot, basta hinay-hinay lang. Ang galing, di ba? Ano bang kailangan natin? We need shrimp, garlic, onions, spring onions, butter, parsley, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Since garlic is one of the main ingredients nito, damihan na natin. Mas masarap na, mas mabango pa. We just have to mince 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Set aside lang natin. We'll also use half of an onion, mince or dice, depende sa preference nyo. Ano bang difference? Dice is actually bigger than mince. So kung gusto mo may texture pa rin or a bit of onion crunch pag kinagat mo, dice onion ang gamitin mo. Set aside lang natin. Chop na rin natin yung spring onions. We'll use this for garnish. Set aside lang natin. In a pan, maglagay lang tayo ng olive oil and butter. So habang di pa siya masyadong mainit, let's put our garlic. Isosotay lang natin ito. Make sure na medium heat lang para di siya masunog. Iniiwasan kasi natin dito yung bitter taste. We just need the flavor and aroma. Once fragrant na, lagay na natin yung sibuyas. So igigisa lang natin hanggang sa medyo translucent na yung sibuyas. At this point, lagay na natin yung hipon. In this recipe, I'm using pre-cooked shrimp. Less hassle to kasi wala ng shell and deveined na rin. Makakabili kayo nito sa mga groceries. Pero kung wala naman, kahit yung fresh and yung meron pang shell, pwede na. Depende kung anong available. Saute lang natin ng 1 minute. So halo-halo lang. Saglit mo lang din siyang lulutuin. Parang iniinit mo lang. Pwede na nating i-season to. Lagay lang tayo ng salt and pepper. Halo-halo lang. After 2 minutes, lagay na natin yung parsley and spring onions. Let's mix it together. And we're done. 5 minutes prep time, 5 minutes cook time. And there you go. We have our buttered garlic shrimp. Kanin na lang ang kulang. Ready to serve na ang ating buttered garlic shrimp. This can also be served as pulutan. Beer na lang ang kulang. And there you have it, everyone. Our buttered garlic shrimp in less than 10 minutes. Quick and easy recipe para sa mga home cook and mga mommies na pinagsasabay yung house chores and work nila. I hope may natutunan kayo from today's episode. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow mo na rin ang KMACS Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram.
For those who have subscribed, maraming salamat po. Keep on supporting KMACS Kitchen. For those who haven't, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click mo na rin yung bell icon para updated ka sa mga future recipes na isi-share ko. And if you have any questions or any suggested dish na gusto nyo lutuin ko, please leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to answer those questions. Malay nyo, yung dish na gusto nyo ay lutuin ko in the future. Again, this is Kirby of KMACS Kitchen. Tara, kain tayo!